Hello and welcome to PSL Diski Media. Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has named his preliminary squad for the international friendly against Zambia on the 15th of November. Here are the players: goalkeepers Ronwen Williams, Sipho Chain, Ricardo Goss, Darren Johnson, Ronaldo Lena. Defenders: Keegan Allen, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Siyabonga Ngezana, Fezile Xaba, Vuyo Letlapa, Khulumani Ndamane, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Khuliso Mudawu, Malibonge Khoza, Thabang Matuludi, Thabo Moloisane, Aubrey Mudiba, Samkelo Kabini, and Ime Okon. Midfielders: Teboho Mokoena, Talente Mbatha, Siphephelo Sithole, Masindi Nemtanjela, Ndamulelo Maphangule, Spesihle Mkhize, Bathusi Obas, and Luke Leroux. Attackers: Evidence Makgopa, Tshepang Moremi, Ashley Cupido, Mohau Nkotha, Devin Titus, Ekrem Reyners, Lyle Foster, Sipho Mbule, Nduduzi Shabalala, Oswin Apollis, Patrick Maswangani, Kamohelo Sibilibili, Bongo Kuhlehlongwane, and Puso Ditejane. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this preliminary squad that Hugo Broos has called? A lot of fan favorites are still not in the squad, the likes of Bregley Grobler and also Thembinkosi Lorch. We know that Relebohile Mofokeng is injured. That's why he's not being called. Remember, it makes sense that Hugo Broos won't change a lot when it comes to his team, given that AFCON will be playing in December. So he will stick to most players that he's used to. So he won't do a lot of rotation and experimentation. Yeah, so let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this squad? Are you impressed by this squad or not? And who do you think deserved a call up? And who do you think should have been dropped from this squad? Remember, when Hugo Broos calls his final squad, he won't name any player who is not on this preliminary squad. That's why he names preliminary squad, and then he will cut players from this squad, meaning that there's no way that we'll see either Thembinkosi Lorch or Bregley Grobler making it, since they were unable to make the preliminary squad. Are you happy with this squad, and do you think that these players will do well in this upcoming friendly before the AFCON? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.